As a small business owner, we understand that you need a source you can turn to, both to answer your small business questions and to make sure you aren't wasting money on ineffective marketing and advertising campaigns. We are Inspire Nation Business Mentoring, and we can help bring all of the pieces together for your small business. We've helped thousands of small businesses to take the mystery out of running a successful enterprise. We mentor you on all areas, including finding the perfect niches, marketing, technology, and more. Our membership, step-by-step videos, and small business resources are not only low cost to you, but we help you identify and implement low-cost, effective technology and processes in your business. Want to know more about our small business mentoring program? Visit our website at www.inspirenation.org.